Hey, this is Kyle, and welcome to What's Inside. Our first ingredient today is ethanol. Ethanol is commonly found in most body lotions. And ethanol, a fun chemical fact about it, is that it's a toxin that can alter and confuse our brains. It's a molecular compound, and its function is to alter a person's mood, but small amounts, like in body lotion, might not cause this occurrence. Our next ingredient is glycerol. Glycerol is commonly found in most yogurts. Another chemical name of the ingredient is glycerine. A fun chemical fact is that it's a syrupy sugar alcohol, and it provides texture to many foods and beverages. It is also an ionic compound, and the function of it is to store fats.
Thank you, Kyle. Our next item is tannins, which are usually found in grapes. A chemical fact is that there are multiple phenogroups that bind to salivary proteins, making your mouth dry. Okay, our next ingredient is malvidine 3-glucoside, also known as oinin, which is one of the natural pigments called anthocyanins. It can be found in the skins of purple grapes. A chemical fact is that slightly acidic and neutral solutions of malvidine are characteristically a red coloring, while basic solutions yield usually a blue coloring. And now to Ryan Jerome for the last part of the video.
Thank you, Jeffrey. And the first ingredient I'll be introducing today is cheese, actually. And what's commonly found in cheese is tyramine. Tyramine is an amino acid, also referred to as eutyramic. And tyramine's main function in the body is to regulate our blood pressure. Its chemical formula is CH11NO. And there is a study going about right now trying to find a possible link between migraines and higher levels of tyramine in your body, but there hasn't been any conclusive evidence yet. I'll be showing you is a banana, and a banana contains both malic and lactic acid. A fancy name for malic acid is hydroxybutandiotic acid, and a not so fancy name for lactic acid is milk acid. And their chemical formulas are for malic acid C4H6O5, and for lactic acid C3H6O3, and they're both amino acids. The lactic acid's function in the body is the stinging sensation you get when you work out or do any strenuous activities in your muscles, and malic acid actually has the opposite function. It relieves that sort of pain, or lessens it at least. And the interesting comparison between the two is that lactic acid is formed naturally within animals like humans, while malic acid, like you may remember, is involved in the Krebs cycle from biology, which is part of photosynthesis in plants.
Thanks, Ryan. So, now we have all of our ingredients. All we need left is the mystery product. What do you think all these ingredients are inside of? There's only one answer. I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. And the mystery product is... it's red wine. Thanks for joining me, and join us next time on What's Inside.